you know when Excel grid lines help and when they just get in the way? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I show you how to control grid lines to make your worksheets cleaner, clearer, and more professional. I show you how to hide them and how to use them in printed version or in your screen. Let's get started. First, I want to introduce what's grid line actually. You may know that Excel have some letters in the top and some numbers in the left, and between every two adjacent pair of letters or two adjacent numbers, you can see that there are some gray lines. These gray lines that are available in whole worksheet are grid lines. These are only grid lines, that these are not actually borders of the table, because if you have some data like this, suppose we have some values in the worksheet and also some random values, Control C, Control V, and value only to prevent changing in every action. If you print this sheet in the print preview, you can see that there is no line. So these are only for your work in worksheet, and it's not available in printed version. But you can use them in printed version too. I'll show you how to do this and how to arrange, how to manage your grid lines. Sometimes you don't want to see them, and sometimes you want to see them even in the printed version. For example, if you go to View tab, you can see that there are some items here. One of them is grid line. You can remove grid line like this, so you can see them in your sheets if you don't like to see them, and if your file seems to be messy. In other options here, you can also hide the formula bar and headings that are actually the numbers and letters, but I prefer to use them because they are very useful in many cases. But grid lines, it's up to you. It depends on your taste. You may prefer to see them even in the printed version. To do this and to make it visible in printed version, you can do this with going to page layout, and in the sheet option, you can see again grid line. You can again remove them from view in worksheet, and you can, by selecting the print option here, you can make them visible in printed version. But it depends on the data you have written in the worksheet. I'll show you. In the print preview, you can see that the grid lines are available until the values you have entered in the sheet. So it depends on the corner of the data you have entered. If you enter the values at the end of the sheet, in the end of the page, you know these dashed lines show the area of page for printing. So if you write something here, you're sure that it's available in the corner of the printed file. And if you check the print preview, you can see the value I've entered here. In this way, I helped Excel to make all the grid lines in the page visible. If you only write some space, you can make it visible without having an unnecessary value in the corner of your file. The options I told you are also available in page setup. If you again go to page layout and select the icon here in the corner of page setup area, you will direct to another window like this. And if you go to sheet, you can again see the same options with some more other options here. You can again select that grid lines can be printed or not. If you select it, the grid lines will be printed. You can also include row and column headings in the printed version, and some other options that I don't want to focus on them in this video. In another video, I'll teach you all the items here. So if you select the row and column heading, you can see that even the letters and numbers are also available in the printed version. Instead of going to that menu, you could also select this item to include the headings in the printed version. The other thing that you may like to change is the color of the grid line. You may prefer to have a colored grid lines instead of having a gray grid line. For doing this, you should go to File menu and then Options. In Advanced section, if you go down, you can find something like this, Grid Line Color. You can also again change it to show or hide the grid lines. But if you want to change the color of grid line, you can select every color you want. For example, you may want to make it red or orange. Okay, you can see that the grid lines are now red. And if you change the color of the cells, the grid lines will be hidden. It doesn't matter that the grid line color is gray or the new color you have specified here. If you change the color of the worksheet with selecting whole cells and choosing a color like this, you can see that the grid lines are not visible anymore. But if you add a border for the numbers, the color of borders are the same color you have specified for the grid lines. And in the printed version, you can also see that they are red. I hope this trick was useful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And if you have any question, you can write as comments below this video or other videos in this channel. See you in other videos.